Another Manufacturing Monday. We figured we'd come to where a lot of these parts start, at the laser cutter. Let's chat to the boys and see how this big machine runs. All right, so we're here with Luke, who runs all of our laser cutting down here. So Luke, being the team leader, what's your day-to-day and what do we got going on here on the computer?
So my day-to-day is processing of all the laser cutting that we have here. So at the moment we're looking at a nest of parts that range from dip drop parts to res mounts to anything in between. In particular, this one is a 4mm nest, which is our bread and butter. It'll cut all day, every day on this kind of stuff.
Yeah, awesome. So all this stuff, like we cut everything here, like washers, all sorts of stuff for our core conversions, everything like that. So that's essentially what you're doing here, is making sure we get the most use out of each sheet of steel.
Absolutely. So my job is mainly to ensure I'm getting the most efficiency out of a sheet, fitting the most on where I'm still not putting the laser at risk of any potential damage with a part flipping up out of the sheet or something like that.
Awesome. Right, so this is where it all starts. So you start here and it gets loaded across into the laser from here.
Yeah, so I receive the files from the R&D boys. They do all the drawings. I get it here. I then process it as an order, ready for production, and then I load it up on the laser and we get it cutting from there.
All right, awesome. All right, I reckon we just head around and check out what we got cutting now.
Sounds great.
So what have we got in here cutting now?
At the moment we've got 4mm stainless, cutting mostly res mounts for Land Cruiser. The laser itself is a 6 kilowatt fiber and can cut anything from 0.9mm stainless right up to 16mm mild steel. It uses two different gases to do so, oxygen for steel and nitrogen for stainless.
This is obviously, what is a 3x1500 sheet that it can take in there?
Yeah, 3 metre by 1.5 metre, 4.5 square metre sheet.
Right, okay. So what have we got? We worked it out before. So it's currently cutting at 85mm a second.
Yes.
And what did it work out to be? 5.1 meters a minute.
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, right, So it's obviously, and how long is this cut going to take on this particular sheet?
So this sheet was approximately a 4-hour sheet. We still have about an hour and a half running on it at the moment. While that's happening, we have the other bed out there being prepped and ready for the next job.
Okay, right, so the boys will be at the back of it loading up now, getting ready for the next nest you've got in the computer.
Minimal downtime is the aim. While the laser's cutting, it's making our wonderful product.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So that's awesome. So there's a fair bit pumping out, but we'll go check out what the boys are unloading and see if they're loading up, and keep on moving.
Yep, sounds good.
Thank you, sir. We're coming out the back of the laser where we've got the second bed. The boys here, or Dylan's just getting this sheet cut up as it's ready to go in the scrap bin. So they're just going to dock that one up into smaller pieces so we can fit it in the bin, and then they'll load the next sheet on to get ready once that stainless steel's finished cutting. All right, if you've got a laser cutter, you need steel. This is all of our steel sheet right here that gets loaded straight into the laser cutter with the big crane. So this is an air operated crane, uses compressed air to create vacuum to load the sheets in so the boys aren't down here slaving. But this whole steel rack was designed in-house by our R&D team. It is currently holding tons of steel from 16mm plate to 2mm stainless stuff. So we've got a massive range here, and this cutter can do it all. As you can see, some of our amazing Superior parts that you've got bolted to your car start right here from flat sheet, get cut, whether they head out straight to you guys if they're stainless or alley, or they get into the next part of manufacturing. This is where it all starts. We'll catch up with you on the next Manufacturing Mondays.